to our channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing a new beyblade. So this is my third bay. It's gonna be exciting. Lost luinor, guys. Before you watch the video, give a thumbs up and hit the bell button. So guys, we'll be trying to open this lost loginess. Here are the disc, and I can see there's a blue disc. There's this, as you can see, it's blue, and this is the true disc. So I don't know if it's real. So guys, let's see if it's really true or fake. If it's fake, it's fine. True, it's fine. So let's open it so we can see what's inside here, guys. Cool. You can open up easily. Okay, let's see. Let's see. We have here the stick of our launcher, and our launcher for stick. And we have a like this. There we go. Okay, there's the beyblade. I'll throw this away. You? Oh yeah. Let's see the disc. Oh, it's clicky. It's like Revive Phoenix. I was right. I saw the disc of this. Now the same, but it's color blue, guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell button. Let's see. We have the layer. I guess no stickers. That's fine. I put this here. And did you know this is ice and it's dragon force, so cool. And then here's also a secret mode here. Everything once I have stamina. The spikes. I'll look a little closer. The spikes activates, and then when it like this, and then boop, and then tighten, and then it became, and it helps him straight to sleep. Ocean through like hurricane defense. So just look like this, and then there we go. So guys, here it is. So let's give it a test. Oh no. Let's give it a test. Let's see what will happen if we launch it. Wait! Oh! Wow! Oh! I can hear the sound. I'm like, oh! You hear that? You hear that? That sound? Let's check it. Guys, amazing! Guys, that's all video. Give a thumbs up and hit the bell. Make sure not to miss our old videos. Bye bye. See you.